So how we can find the square root of a number? So as we know that we can easily find the square root of a number that is a perfect square. Mean the square of 1, we can write that 1 square which is equal to 1, and the square of 4 that is equal to 2 square which is equal to 2. The square of 9 that is equal to 3 square which is equal to 3. The square of 16 that is equal to 16 can be written in 4 square which is equal to 4. And the square of 25 which is equal to 25 can be written in the form of 5 square. So square root will be cancelled, and which is equal to 5. And the square of 36 which is equal to 6. The square of 49 that is equal to 7. And the square of 81 that is equal to the square of 64 that is equal to 8, and so on. So how we can find the square root of a number which is not a perfect square, which means that we can find the square root of 70, the square root of 19, the square root of 45, the square root of 32, and the square root of 24. So how we can find the square root of these numbers which are not a perfect square? So it's 17 which is nearly equal to 16, so we can write 17 in the form of 16 plus 1, and we can find the square root of this number. So the 16, that is 4 square plus 1, and we can write the square root of 4 square, that is 4, plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by this number. So that is the square root of this one. So 4 multiplied by 1 by 8, and which is equal to 4 plus, that is equal to 0.1 to 5, which is equal to 4.12 and 5. And now how we can find the square root of 45? So 45k which is nearly equal to 36, the nearest perfect square value of 45 which is equal to 36. So 45 can be written in the form of 36 plus 9, that is equal to the square of 36, that is equal to 6, plus 9 divided by 2 multiplied by this number, which is equal to 6 plus 9 divided by 6 multiplied by 12. 6 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 12. And if you divide this number by this, and if you add this number to this, so 6 point something will be answer. Now how we can find the square root of 32? So the square root of 32 which is equal to, so 32 is nearly equal to the perfect square which is 36. So the square root of 32 can be written in the form of 36 minus 4. So this is equal to the square of 36, that is 6, minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 6 minus, that is something, 4 divided by 6 twos are 12, and we can write 6 minus 1 divided by 3 which is equal to 5 point something. And if we write the general formula for a number which is not a perfect square, that is this: if you have a number which are not a perfect square, so you will write, for example, that number is a z. So this number can be written in the form of x plus y, and z is a number which is not perfect square, so this number can be written in the form of a perfect square, and y is a not a perfect square. So this number can be written in the form of square root x plus y divided by 2 square root x. This is the way which we can write a number विच आर नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। ये हमारे पास एक फार्मूला है, जो हमारे पास एक नंबर एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हो तो इसको हम इस फार्मूले की मदद से वो हल कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ऊपर मैंने क्वेश्चन हल कर दिया कि 45 सो ये नंबर मेरे साथ जो है 36 तक नज़दीक है, जो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है। फिर दूसरा नंबर जो है 49 है, वो भी इसके साथ नज़दीक है, तो उससे भी आप ये कर सकते हैं, उससे भी आप ये कर सकते हैं, ताकि आप इसको लेके 49 - 4, लेकिन आप इसको इससे भी कर सकते हैं 36 + 9। तो ये एक्स की जगह है, इसको हम एक्स का नाम देंगे और इसको हम वाई का नाम देंगे। तो ये मैंने लिख लिया है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ व्हाट, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 दैट इज 6 स्क्वायर रूट और प्लस वाई। ये मेरे पास जो है ये वाई है, तो वाई को मैंने एज इट इज लिखा है डिवाइडेड बाय, आपके साथ जो स्क्वायर रूट इससे जो स्क्वायर रूट से आता है तो इसके साथ आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ठीक है, तो आपका ये आंसर होगा।